Welcome to the PPT Template channel. This video, we learn how to add a bulleted or numbered list in PowerPoint. To create effective PowerPoint presentations, it's essential to make your slides easy for the audience to read. One of the most common ways of doing this is to format the text as a bulleted or numbered list. By default, when you type text into a placeholder, a bullet is placed at the beginning of each paragraph, automatically creating a bulleted list. If you want, you can modify a list by choosing a different bullet style or by switching to a numbered list. Don't forget to subscribe PPT Template channel for update about PowerPoint slides and template free download. Adding lists is a good way to have your content well organized in your presentation to make it look clean and nicely arranged. How to add a bulleted or numbered. Select a box or text. Click Format. Select Bullet or Numbering. How to change the starting number. Select a box or text. Select the button down in the text. Input starting at your want. How to modify the size and color. Change the bullet using a picture or number. Select the symbol you want. And you can select a picture or icon, but if you change with icon, you can change the color. How to customizing bullets. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add bulleted or numbered lists to your PowerPoint presentations and how to customize them to adapt them to your needs. This tutorial is about how to add bullet points in PowerPoint and adjustments. Thanks for watching.